Are you searching for the best laser controller? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best laser controller in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, Ruida Co2 Laser Controller. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Trocen Co2 Laser Controller. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Clouday Ruida RDC 6432 CO2 Laser Controller. Name, Co2 Laser Controller. Model, Ruida RDC 6432G. Feature, the RDC 6432G system is the latest laser engraving/cutting control system. True Color TFT Screamin' Machine Operating System, one-way independent adjustable laser power control. Multi-channel general/dedicated I/O control, better and better motion control functions, parameters, digital laser control signal, TTL level output, 50 mA drive capability. The PWM frequency is adjustable from 2K to 50K, PWM duty cycle is adjustable from 1% to 99%, motor control signal OC output, 300 mA drive capability, motor control pulse frequency is up to 500 kHz, USB maximum transmission rate of 12 m, the longest distance of 5 meters.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Hunst-CNC Control Motherboard System for Laser Cutting Machine. Hunst-CNC Control Motherboard System for Laser Cutting Machine. Controller board Trocen, CO2, AWC 7813, AWC 708S. AWC 708S will upgrade to AWC 7813. Adopt a 5-inch True Color touchscreen to display the movement track of the laser head in real time. The product is easy to operate and can be completely separated from the PC to set device parameters, support full blowing, light blowing, layer blowing, a variety of humanized positioning modes and return modes, using a new 32-bit high-speed DSP to make the system run faster and more stable. All optocouplers completely isolate external electromagnetic interference and have strong anti-static performance. Number 5. Cloudray Ruida RDC 6442G Co2 Laser DSP Controller. Name, Co2 Laser Controller. Model, Ruida RDC 6442S. Feature, support standalone operation and U-disk processing, support offline modification of file attributes, manufacturer and user parameters, support working hours preview, accurate to millisecond, real-time display the processing path, coordinate point and progress bar, automatic focusing by panel, support manual and automatic focusing, support manual input or automatic acquire the coordinative docking point. Abundant external auxiliary accessories are optional, wireless handheld box, RD app and RD Wi-Fi. Extended interface for external devices convenient to customize demand.